Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Wise account profile picture. It's pretty simple. So my current profile picture is the text WK. So if I want to change that, you can see my profile picture at the top left corner being displayed. In your screen, it's going to display your profile picture. So click on it and then it's going to take you to your account page. Over here at the top, you can see your profile picture, and right below your profile picture, you can see a little small camera looking icon. You want to click on that. And from over here, it's going to give you two options. Now, if you click on take photo, your camera will open up and you can take photo. And if you want to choose your photo from your gallery, you want to click on choose from library. So I will click on take photo to use my camera to take a random photo, and I will allow access to my camera, and I will just take a picture of this little bottle over here. And after the picture is taken, you want to click on use photo at the bottom left. Once you click on use photo, it's basically going to be done and it's going to load for some time. And as you guys can see, my profile picture has changed. So that is how you guys can change your profile picture on your Wise account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to change Wise account profile picture, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time. And in some case, if your profile picture is not changed, then it's basically your slow internet. So check that as well if you're facing this problem.